हाँ आंखें मल ले पहले तो।
चलो भाई शुरू करते हैं।
चलिए इस खेल को आगे बढ़ाया जाए।
हाय गाइस,
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू मृदुल बत्रा।
बत्रा's channel.
यस, हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग एंड नमस्ते फ्रॉम कनाडा। तो आज जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है, ग्लैमरस गेस्ट।
Not so glamorous. I could do better.
ओह हाँ, तो इन दिस वीडियो वील बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द रूट दैट शी टुक, क्योंकि अभी रिसेंटली कनाडा आई है और आपको सबको पता है क्योंकि कनाडा ने फ़्लाइट्स बैन कर रखी हैं स्पेशली इंडिया से।
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा, चल।
तो हम ये देखेंगे कि ये कौन से रूट से आई और सब कुछ जो भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो मैं इनसे पूछूंगा। सो आर यू रेडी सोनाली?
Yes sir.
ओके, सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सबसे पहले ये बता दो कि कौन से रूट से आए और कब आए और कौन सी एयरलाइंस?
Okay. So I came. मैं आई थी इजिप्ट के थ्रू.
आई केम या मैं आई थी? दोनों
एक ही बात.
दो बार आई थी?
Yes.
सॉरी, चल
अच्छा, मैं आई थी इजिप्ट के थ्रू
Okay.
and I'll tell you all the airlines that I
Okay.
took, right? So from Delhi my flight was on the 14th of July.
ओके
I think सुबह 9 बजे की फ्लाइट थी मेरी
ओके
और मेरा लेओवर था 3 आवर्स का मस्कट ओमान में
ओके।
एंड द एयरलाइन वाज ओमान एयरवेज,
दिल्ली टू ओमान।
दिल्ली टू ओमान, ठीक है। उसके बाद कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट थी ओमान टू इजिप्ट,
ओके
ओके, व्हिच वाज आल्सो ओमान एयरवेज.
ओके
Now, at Delhi airport, be prepared to show all your documents, which would be obviously your air tickets from Delhi to Canada,
Oman.
then
Oh,
Delhi to
yeah.
Oman, Oman to Egypt, and then you're gonna need your visa, so the transit visa for Egypt. So what happens is आपको transit visa नहीं मिलेगा उसी time पे, because I think the system is visa on arrival. So the
Okay.
sticker will be provided at the Egypt airport,
Okay.
Cairo airport. But what your agent will give you will be a guarantee letter, which will have your name along with whoever else is traveling with you, if it's a group booking, that you're allowed to enter Egypt, right? तो वो साथ में देंगे. Plus your agent will also give you all the flight tickets. They will give you the insurance information that you need to enter Egypt, and then yeah. तो मेरा route था Delhi to Oman. Oman was just a layover for 3 hours. Then Oman to Egypt, and I had to stay there for 2 days, and then Egypt to Canada. And the airline was Delhi to Oman was Oman, Oman to Egypt was also Oman, and Egypt to Canada was Egypt Airways.
ओके। ओह, स्टेड इन इजिप्ट फॉर 2 days, ठीक है। वहाँ पे कोई क्वारंटीन टेस्ट हुए? कहाँ कहाँ आपके कोविड टेस्ट हुए वो बताओ।
Quarantine test.
कोविड
COVID test. Obviously, before you leave Delhi, you're gonna
Okay.
need a negative RT-PCR test.
72 hours prior to departure?
Preferably 48.
Okay.
Preferably 48, right? From an ICMR approved lab.
Okay.
And then that information you can find anywhere on the internet.
Yeah.
अच्छा, उसके बाद I would suggest you carry multiple hard copies of that, because you're going to need it at almost every airport you go to, except the final airport like at Toronto, because you're going to need the transit country's RT-PCR test, right?
Okay.
Okay, अच्छा, उसके बाद दूसरा टेस्ट मेरा हुआ था the moment you land at Cairo, they're going to conduct another COVID test. Now I don't think it was an RT-PCR test because the results were quick, and we were 200 people traveling together, traveling from India to Canada, and so we had to wait a lot to get everybody tested, and then wait for everybody's result, and then only we could cross immigration, right? So we landed around 4 and we left the airport around 9:30 or 10 p.m. So we
Okay.
had to wait a very long time. So I got tested there,
Okay.
and then the final test was done before we were leaving from Egypt to Canada,
Okay.
because that's obviously required at the Canadian airport.
So total there were 3
हाँ, तो
COVID
एक
tests.
दिल्ली से या आपकी wherever you're departing from, then the second one at Egypt the moment you arrive, and the third one before you leave.
Leave Egypt. Okay. और ये सब जो टिकट्स बुक करी है एजेंट के थ्रू करी या खुद ही करी?
I booked through an agent, and अच्छा, I'll tell you what all was included in the package, right?
Yeah.
So flights from Delhi to Muscat. Okay, so all flights from India to Canada. The PCR testing, except the one that you get from your departing country, right? Because that you're gonna have to do yourself.
Okay.
Acha, RT-PCR at Egypt will be paid for by the agent. Your
Okay.
hotel, your meals, your visa, insurance, everything will be paid by your agent, right? So all you have to do is just provide all the documents to them and they'll get everything done. But make sure you ask whatever they are giving you, right?
और हाँ कॉस्ट क्या थी पूरे पैकेज की?
तो मेरे को अराउंड पड़ा 1,60,000 जिसमें अगेन ऑल फ्लाइट्स, PCR टेस्टिंग एट इजिप्ट एंड मील्स, नाइट स्टेज एंड
हैप्पी मील भी इंक्लूडेड थी?
मैं हैप्पी नहीं थी पूरी जर्नी में बहुत it's अच्छा anybody who's traveling taking a different route, especially Egypt, is just my
That can be struggling.
just my 2 cents. It's not fun. I would suggest you find somebody who's going to be traveling with you, and best is if you're traveling with a relative or a friend, because
She was a loner just like me. तो मतलब मैं दोनों बार जितनी बार भी ट्रैवल किया कनाडा, I was all alone. But ठीक है, I enjoy
मैंने
my.
दोस्त बना लिए थे
हाँ,
airport
even
पे,
even
मैं
I did
loser
that.
नहीं
Even I did that. I
मैं
made
loser
friends
नहीं हूँ।
in the flight as well as at the airport.
झूठा
सच में अभी भी added है Instagram पे.
झूठा अच्छा anyway.
हाँ.
So I made friends at the airport,
Okay.
and what I did from India, because I did not know anybody who was traveling with me, मैंने अपना room single accommodation पे कराया था, जो कि obviously थोड़ा महंगा पड़ता है.
Yes.
But जो Egypt
कनाडा में आके क्वारंटीन रूम ना?
नहीं, Egypt.
अच्छा इजिप्ट में ठीक है.
And the hotel was the one that they gave me. We can mention the details in the description box, and you can check that out.
She knows the drill. ठीक है.
Acha, but khana is not gonna be good. I would say carry pre-packaged meals. Carry spray sanitizers. You're gonna need them everywhere at the airport. Carry multiple disposable masks. Carry gloves, preferably if you have them, and make sure you have all your documents in a file.
Yep.
Now I'll tell you the most important part. At every airport where you're transiting from, at least from Egypt, right? They're going to be asking you for literally all your Canadian documents. By that I mean your offer letter, your timetable, your schedule, if you're on a break, I would suggest you have a timetable for the following semester, because they're gonna for I remember किसी लड़के के पास नहीं था, and they did not let him go through for a very long time. A lot of long line of questioning, unnecessary.
I think ये दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पे भी होता है मतलब.
हाँ, they're gonna
You need
ask you for
everything,
your
yeah.
schedule and everything. And then even at the Canadian airport, they're
Yeah.
gonna ask you. I would suggest आप लोग अपनी Blackboard app पे login करके रखो. And then
If you are traveling for GBC, right?
नहीं, Blackboard works for almost.
नहीं for almost मतलब
Humber.
सबके लिए नहीं. हाँ तो हम्बर है but
मतलब
सबके
अपने
लिए नहीं.
college
हाँ,
portal पे login
college की
करके
जो
रखो.
भी आपकी मतलब कॉलेज ने आपको एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करने के लिए बोली है बेसिकली उस पे आप अप टू डेट रहिए और उसमें आपको सारी ट्रैवलिंग डिटेल्स आपको सारी हेल्प मिल जाएगी. और अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप अपने कॉलेज से ऑब्वियसली यू कैन
And
एनी टाइम
best-
ईमेल देम.
Best is if you have your college ID. Perfect. मेरे पास नहीं थी क्योंकि मैं
फर्स्ट टाइम जस्ट लाइक यू लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल विल बी ट्रैवलिंग फर्स्ट टाइम.
exactly.
तो नहीं
अच्छा.
होगा उनके पास.
Another important tip that I would give people is don't carry SIM cards from don't get
Yeah.
international roaming, because it's unnecessarily expensive.
Expensive.
You will probably have Wi-Fi at every airport. Egypt airport पे नहीं मिलेगा, so there's that. Egypt hotel में the one that I had that I'll be mentioning, you might get Wi-Fi, but it's gonna be spotty. You're not gonna get it everywhere, but you'll be fine. 2 more things. Arrive can भर के रखो.
Oh yes, the most important thing.
Arrive can में भी कुछ questions होता है. I'm gonna go in detail.
Yeah, go ahead.
Perfect. So Arrive can maybe, they're gonna ask you last country you visited. That's not gonna be India. That's gonna be the last country you're coming from. So for
Right.
me, it was Egypt and not India, because I was confused by that question, and बहुत और लोग भी थे. Then Switch Health. I would suggest कि you log into the Switch Health Canada account. You create an account, and then this is only for people who are unvaccinated or who have been vaccinated with Covaxin. Although I think Covaxin approve होने वाली है या हो चुकी है.
No, not
होने
yet.
हाँ,
Not yet.
तो होने वाली है.
That comes to my another question.
अच्छा.
कोवैक्सीन लगवा के आई थी ना तू? या सो शी टुक 2 doses ऑफ कोवैक्सीन जो कि लोकल वैक्सीन है, तो इतना ध्यान मत दो.
हाँ, कोई
बट
लोकल नहीं है, इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, बट व्हाटएवर.
so that's why she had to quarantine in Canada after landing. But अगर आपकी अगर वहाँ पे और कौन सी लगे, कोविशील्ड अगर लग रही है तो आपको
Which is the AstraZeneca.
एस्ट्राजेनेका, या
So you'll be fine.
so you'll be fine, you don't have to quarantine in Canada.
But
और-
वो भी if you're fully vaccinated.
Right.
ठीक है, partially को भी I think अभी तक तो करना है. अच्छा, which brings us to the next part. मैं तेरा चैनल चला रही हूँ.
Okay.
Which brings us to the next part, quarantine. So
Yeah.
people who are unvaccinated, which also include people who are vaccinated with Covaxin like me,
Yeah.
you're gonna have to do a mandatory 3-day hotel quarantine with one of the. Just go to the IRCC website. You'll see the government authorized accommodations.
Yep.
Book your room, get a confirmation. It's easier that way instead of getting here and doing it. But you can do whatever suits you, right? I would suggest book it from here, from wherever, from
They are
India,
coming. Yeah.
and they'll give you a confirmation, print it out, carry that because वो Delhi airport पे भी मांगते हैं,
Right.
Canada airport पे मांगते हैं, probably Egypt पे, मतलब the transit airport पे भी मांगेंगे, okay? And that cost me around $950. I booked Marriott at Dixon Road 901, and they give you all the meals. So what you do is when you reach the airport and you go through all the immigration, customs, you get your stuff back and you move through a channel where they're gonna give you a COVID
YouTube
testing.
channel. Sorry.
COVID testing self report kit देंगे आपको if you've not been vaccinated or have been vaccinated but it's not approved, and which is why you need to download the Switch Health. Not download, just log in and make an account. अच्छा, so for Switch Health, all you're gonna have to do is just go through the passage. They'll let you know where you have to go, and they'll take a sample right then. उसके बाद आपको एक होम कलेक्शन किट देंगे
Yeah.
जिसमें आपको डेट लिखी होगी कि आपको कब देना है. It's the 8th day of your 14-day quarantine.
मेरे केस में शायद 10th डे पे था, हाँ, बट अब चेंज हो गया.
अच्छा,
कुछ है.
मेरा 8 था. And they'll actually send you a mail कि आपको अपॉइंटमेंट इस टाइम का स्लॉट दिया हुआ है. So you're gonna have to log in. They're gonna make you get on a video call with one of their nurses. You're gonna have to do the COVID test in front of them, and then somebody is going to pick up the sample from your
Right.
house, right? Wherever you're quarantining for the next 11 days
11
after the
days.
3 days. So I departed from New Delhi on the 14th of July, and I reached on the 17th of July in Canada.
Nice accent,
Now
bro.
shut the fuck up. अच्छा, लेकिन although my package cost me 160,
1,60,000.
हाँ,
Yeah.
एक महीने पहले almost. Now I've been talking to other people who've contacted the same agent that I booked my whole package through, and they have increased the price to 254 to 260, so almost 1 lakh का increase हो गया पूरे package में.
I have one question. Sorry to interrupt, but ये इतना तुम desperate क्यों हो इंडिया से आने के लिए?
तू क्यों था?
भाई
घर भेजो.
मैं आया हूँ नॉर्मल उसमें, फ्लाइट बैन नहीं हुई थी. हाँ चल बोल.
अच्छा, ओ मेरी फ्लाइट में काफी लोग पॉजिटिव टेस्ट हुए थे.
Seriously?
Yes. So at the Egypt airport there were 2 people who tested positive. थोड़ी देर बाद उनको बोला अच्छा नहीं false positive था. So that happens. So if in
Okay.
case that happens, don't panic. They're going to rectify it, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
और अब तो वैसे लोगों में डर खत्म हो गया, बट स्टिल प्रिकॉशंस तो
बिना
लेंगे.
मास्क के.
अबे तो हम ही तो है. ओके, सो दैट वाज इट गाइस. आई होप दिस वीडियो हेल्प यू. अगर आपको और भी कोई डाउट्स हो तो मैं सोनालिका इंस्टाग्राम डीएम अब सब देख रहे हैं. अब सब इंटरेस्टेड है, तो मैं सोनालिका इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो पहले मेरे पास आना, उसके बाद इसके पास जाना, समझे? चलो. और ठीक है, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप. अगर अच्छी नहीं लगी
Comment
तो भी
about
बताओ.
me. I'm kidding. But follow me on Instagram.
Okay.
And I'll give you Canada tips because मैंने
Okay.
बहुत struggle किया अपनी life में. ठीक है, just like अनन्या पांडे.
अच्छा फिर ठीक है.
नहीं मेरा
हाँ,
दूसरा वाला था.
दूसरा वाला.
But ठीक है, okay.
ठीक
See
है,
you.
तो
I'll be
अगर-
in more videos because why
Yes.
the fuck not?
श्योरली शी विल बी. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको और भी कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट भी कर सकते हो, या डीएम करो मुझे या इसको. वील बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू रीच आउट टू यू गाइस. और इसी के साथ आज की वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. बाय बाय, गुड नाइट, ऑलमोस्ट गुड नाइट.
Oh, तू उन्हें क्या पता तू दिन में कर रहा है आके हम
अबे
बेवकूफ
दिख तो रहा है ना थोड़ा सा।
क्या अभी तो दिन हो रही है